G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today just a short video again on the daily process. A lot of emails and questions about how do I identify the best candidates. And we talked about some different ways depending on which session you're available for. And I've talked about for Asia 8 to 11 p.m. New York time, middle hour specifically 9 p.m. Europe, London, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., and again, specifically the London hour, 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. The exception being the Euro pairs, which can trade in that first hour. And then, of course, New York, 8 to 11 a.m., New York time, regardless, daylight savings, winter, summer, it's New York time. And specifically, again, that middle hour, and the equity market opens at 9:30. Specifically for the indexes and oil and some of the other commodities. So again, today coming back to looking at the bigger template on the week and just reviewing some simple concepts. Canadian dollar had a massive day 2 vertical move in the London session. We have volume trapped up high in our Batman formation, and today, or the close of Thursday, was first red day. So we have non-farm payrolls tonight. And so with first red day, obviously, if it is a selling opportunity, we'll see this market auction up higher and higher before selling off. And obviously, no idea what it will do until the day evolves and sets up. Now, I talk about not trading the news itself, but waiting for after the news, or if there is a setup prior to the news, taking that trade, but being out before the news. First red day on Canadian dollar. Japanese yen, I look at this and I see no setups whatsoever for myself. We're currently inside. We've had a day 2 setup, and then the reversal day on Wednesday, which was first green day. And we'll just come back and layer that on top, but we're inside, so not an ideal best trade setup candidate. First green day was on Wednesday, so this would need to set up possibly heading into next week. We have day 1, day 2 now, but again, we're inside still, so no real best trade setups for me on the yen. Not to say there couldn't be a session trade or anything else, but in terms of the bigger template, no best trade setups. The euro, we're down low, day 3. So we've had our day 1, day 2, day 3. We have payrolls tonight. This is potentially an ideal candidate heading into next week for trap volume to be down low. Now again, not currently set up as a best trade candidate. As the day evolves, after the news, there may be some sort of buy low session trade opportunity. The pound has come out as first green day after closing up for Thursday's session. We have our peak formation low and starting to count back up day 1, day 2. So first green day, we want to see that market set up as a buying day opportunity. Euro yen, we have day 3 down, still no reversal. We're inside, and again, not set up as an ideal best trade candidate for me. Pound yen is first green day, so again, I would want to see this set up as a buy day opportunity, either into the London session or potentially after the news with 3 lower peaks. First green day on pound yen. First green day on Aussie dollar for those who follow the Aussie and New Zealand pairs. First green day. We had RBA earlier this week, and again, volume trap down low. We've had our 3-day setup on Tuesday for this short sell into the low of the month. The reversal day, day 1, day 2 now, first green day. We want to see a buy day opportunity set up. New Zealand dollar, although it's a first green day, is trading inside. So again, down low, trap volume, but no ideal best trade setup on this pair. The Nasdaq is potentially in the midst of a measured move. We had a first green day on Tuesday with a peak formation reset, consolidation for day 2, and the continuation yesterday on Thursday. And we obviously have the high of the previous week up top. And again, with payrolls tonight, we could see this market set up as a buy day opportunity heading into the U.S. session. S&P very similar, a peak formation reset on day 2 this week for a first green day, and then the continuation into Thursday's close. We're on day 3, but again could be in a measured move targeting the high of last week. Again, not a buy recommendation. We need to see this market set up as a buy day opportunity for that U.S. session. Oil gave a fantastic day 3 trade in the U.S. session last night, closing as first green day. Day 1, day 2, and the squeeze for the long trade. So we have first green day. Again, heading into the U.S., for this to be a follow-through, we would want to see a buy day opportunity set up, peak formation lows. Gold, currently no ideal best trade setup. We just have consolidation down low, no indication of any reversal. We do have trap volume. We're down low. We're at the low of the month, but no best trade candidate setting up as of this chart. So my filtering process is just monitoring the 3-day cycles and looking for the best candidates for either sell high or buy lows, and the markets that I want to leave alone until they set up with a best trade opportunity. So again, payrolls tonight, that could be a perfect reset heading into next week. Again, not getting in front of the news, we could see consolidation and then an explosive move, which again sets up for next week's trade opportunities. Some of the other pairs may offer great session trades, but again, I won't trade in front of the news, but I will certainly trade after the news if an ideal best trade candidate sets up. So hopefully that helps. Again, thanks for the emails and questions. We've had some fantastic moves this week. Just keeping it simple and sticking to 2 or 3 of your best trade candidates in that middle hour or in that session timings. Stick to that 1 hour, 2 hour window. Take the trade, entry, stop loss, profit target, get off the screen. Keep it simple, traders, and may the markets go with you.